When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal and overall market value, few upgrades make as immediate an impact as installing a new door, but only if it's done right. In Fort Worth's competitive real estate market, proper door installation is not just a cosmetic choice. It's an investment that directly influences how buyers perceive your property and how much they're willing to pay. First impressions matter. Your front door is one of the first features visitors and potential buyers notice. A well-installed door looks clean, fits seamlessly within the frame, and operates smoothly without sticking, squeaking, or rattling. This not only creates a welcoming first impression but also signals that the home is well maintained. In Fort Worth, where traditional charm often blends with modern upgrades, a properly fitted door can elevate the home's style, complement architectural features, and set the tone for the rest of the property. Energy efficiency and lower utility bill. A poorly installed door can leave gaps and leaks, allowing hot Texas air to enter and your cooled air to escape. In a climate like Fort Worth's, where summers can be brutally hot, energy efficiency is a major selling point. When installed correctly, modern doors come with advanced weather stripping and precise alignment that minimize drafts. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, reducing monthly energy costs, a benefit every buyer will notice. Energy-efficient doors can even help your home qualify for energy-saving certifications, adding another layer of value. Improved security and peace of mind. Security is a top concern for Fort Worth homeowners. A properly installed door ensures that locks align perfectly, frames are reinforced, and the hardware is securely fastened. Even the strongest lock can be compromised if the door is not installed with precision. Potential buyers see a well-installed, solid door as a sign that the home is safe and protected. In real estate listings, features like reinforced entryway or security-enhanced installation can be strong selling points. Durability and reduced maintenance costs. Improper installation can lead to issues like warping, uneven wear, and water damage, all of which shorten the lifespan of your door. A door that drags on the floor, sticks in humid weather, or has visible gaps is a red flag for future maintenance headaches. By contrast, a door installed by skilled professionals is more likely to withstand Fort Worth's mix of hot summers, sudden storms, and occasional cold snaps without swelling, shrinking, or deteriorating. This means fewer repairs and replacements for the next homeowner, which can be a persuasive selling point. Boosting resale value. According to many home improvement studies, replacing or upgrading an entry door offers one of the highest returns on investment among remodeling projects, often recouping a significant percentage of the cost at resale. In a competitive housing market like Fort Worth, details matter. When potential buyers tour homes, they notice features that suggest quality and care. A flawless door installation tells them the seller has invested in the property's upkeep, increasing their willingness to make strong offers. Curb appeal and neighborhood harmony. In neighborhoods where aesthetics are valued, an outdated or poorly fitted door can make a home stand out for the wrong reasons. A properly installed, stylish door enhances curb appeal and can even help your home blend better with surrounding properties, which can positively influence appraisals. In Fort Worth's historic districts, where architectural integrity is essential, a properly installed door that matches the period style can make your home more attractive to buyers seeking authenticity. Final thought: proper door installation in Fort Worth is more than a simple home improvement, it's a strategic investment. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and resale value, a well-installed door pays dividends both now and when it's time to sell. Whether you're upgrading for personal enjoyment or preparing your property for the market, choosing professional installation ensures you maximize the value of your investment and leave a lasting impression on anyone who walks through your front door.